Hi Aqua Room. Today we are studying Know, What, Learn charts. These are charts they use in science to list information. The blue rectangle tells us what we know about mountains. The yellow rectangle, I have some things listed of what you might want to learn about mountains. And the white rectangle with the L on the top is where we'll list what we learn after this project. What we know about mountains. Mountains have snow and ice. Most mountains have a pointed top and they're tall. Some mountains are little and some are really big. Sometimes people climb them just for fun. People ski down mountains, and plants and animals live on mountains. Some things you might want to learn about mountains. Which animals live on mountains? What do plants look like on mountains? Do people live on mountains? And are there any mountains in Indiana? Later we'll list what we've learned on this sheet, and we'll look at it on Zoom on Friday. That is our Know, What, Learn chart. Here are some pictures of the Smoky Mountains. The Smoky Mountains are in Tennessee and runs into Kentucky. There are mountains in Indiana, but they're not quite this big. Here's a mountain lion. Black bears live in mountains. Here's a deer. More deer. These are called white-tailed deer. Can you guess why? An elk, a chipmunk, a raccoon, a red wolf, butterflies, a cardinal, a turkey buzzard, an owl, a turtle, a salamander. Can you find the lizard hiding in the picture? This is a picture of the river winding down the mountain. Mountains have trees just like we do. Moss covering the rocks. Snow and ice on the mountains. Here's a home. People do live in the mountains. And a pig. There are farms on mountains. Today is Work Together Wednesday, so Landon and I made a volcano. You guys can make these at home too. We started with we started with a bottle with water about half full, and Landon is going to put some baking soda inside of it. So put about a tablespoon of baking soda in the water. And then I'm going to squirt some dish soap in the water on top of the baking soda. And next, Landon is pouring in vinegar. Boom, our volcano. Mountains are volcanoes. Miley made a video about volcanoes too. So here's a real volcano Miley wants you to see.